Did you know that MSI actually have a hidden cleanup tool for the MSI Center should you be experiencing problems with your MSI software? This is something which I don't think many people know about, so I figured it'd be a great idea to make a video on it. So if you are experiencing problems with MSI Center, maybe you're getting some errors or things aren't working correctly, you've actually got a pop-up on the screen like I've got today, then hopefully this video is going to be useful to you to try and remedy it. So without further ado, let's head over to the computer and take a closer look. So here we are on my Windows desktop, and today there was an update to MSI Center, and straight away I've come up and got this error. So this error lies in program files x86 MSI Center lib sys ntio lib underscore x64.sys. Now potentially you're getting the same error or a similar error, or just MSI Center isn't working as it should do. Possibly you've already tried uninstalling and reinstalling and maybe you're still getting the same error. So after a little bit of investigation, I did find a link to a MSI knowledge base or frequently asked questions saying, is there a recommended tool for uninstalling MSI Center? So they actually have got it here. So it says here, please download the Clean Center Master at the following link and execute. And there is the link there. Of course, the link will be in the video description as well, should you wish to follow along at home. This covers a lot of MSI motherboards, and no doubt this will be updated as time goes on. I'm guessing it was just the models which are available at the time of this frequently asked question being put up. Anyway, so let's go over to this location here and we'll download that. So you can just copy and paste this, or you can copy it from our video description. Entirely up to you. Do copy and we'll open up a new tab. And we'll paste it up the top there and hit enter. And it should start trying to download immediately. So choose a location to save it to. I'm just going to save it to the Windows desktop for ease. And there we go. So that has finished very quick, a very small little file there. So we can pretty much close this now. We don't need that. And we'll extract this zipped file. Just use extract all and extract. So there is the Clean Center Master.exe file. Now we can do a few things as well to help it on its way. This error message here, I can ignore that for now, and we can close MSI Center here, or maybe we can't. No, oh yeah, it is somewhat broken, and if it's still in the taskbar there, we can exit as well. See, it is behaving very strangely. Yeah, it is. It's not happy at all. So if you can't get yours to close, you may need to right click on the bottom here and choose end task, and hopefully that's got rid of it. Yep, there we go, that has gone. So it's not currently running, we've ended the task. So let's go over to our Clean Center Master exe. I'm going to right click and run as administrator. You'll get the user account control come up, so click on yes. And yeah, you kind of get this. There's not really a great deal going on here, and if I close this window, you can see it's yeah, no idea what's going on here, but I'm guessing it's this middle one. So I'm going to click that, and it appears we have some activity. I think they probably need to work on this a little bit more and have a little bit more of user interaction, or at least telling you what's going on. But I guess we're just going to have to sit it out and wait a while for it to do its thing. And it appears that the system is automatically restarting. So yeah, it would probably be nice to have something in there to say, please make sure you save all your data. But now you know. Right, so the system is restarted, and just for a quick sanity check, we'll go into settings and into installed apps and see if MSI Center is still here anywhere, or the MSI Center SDK. No, it appears that it has gone, so that is great. So what we can do now is reinstall MSI Center. Now, generally I recommend doing it from the Windows Store, but you can do it however you choose to do it. If you just type in MSI, it will come up with MSI Center app. And yeah, it doesn't look like it's installed already because it's asking if it wants to be installed. So we'll just click on install and we'll let it do its thing. And that's finished installing. So now we can click on open and we can close down the window behind. Again, because it's running for the first time, it's going to ask for the user account control. And there we go. We've gone into the MSI Center, the kind of the welcome screen. So on here you can choose your different types of use case, or you can just choose skip and then you can install your own. So gaming gear is installed already from me because I've got an MSI keyboard and mouse. But to get back to where we were, we want to have Mystic Light installed, and also we want the cooling wizard, so we can install that. But from what we can see, everything looks to be working okay. We didn't have any weird error messages when it starts up, so just gonna have to wait for that to install a moment, and that should be pretty much it. So there you go. If you're experiencing problems with MSI Center and it's just one of those things that it just cannot be fixed by just uninstalling and reinstalling, as generally we tend to do, you may find using the MSI Master Center uninstaller quite useful, although it is a slightly strange tool and very little interaction. And I would say again, before you actually do it, just make sure you don't have any programs in the background which are still running, because it will just restart after you've pressed the button after a short while. So do bear that in mind. Hopefully this video has been useful to you. If it has, smash the like button. If you want to see more content like this on a daily basis, maybe consider hitting subscribe. And if you do that, don't forget to click on the chime notification and choose all notifications. That way you will be notified of video releases. But I've been Mike. This is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To. And hopefully we'll catch you in the very next video. Thanks for watching.